Okay, now I'm home. I did pretty good at CVS though. I only spent like $22, I think. And I got loops because they were 75% off the eye things to make the eyes look brighter and less baggy. I don't know. They're good for your eyes, I guess. What was I gonna tell you guys? I forgot. I got some tickets. You guys want to scratch them off with me? Everything was 75% off at CVS that I got, except for the baby wipes. Those were buy one get one 50% off. How am I gonna scratch this and hold the phone at the same time? I should have thought this through better. Give me a sec. Okay, I think we're videoing. I hope. Yeah. Did we win anything? I can't really see. Alright, let's see one we're looking for. Nada. I don't think I've won on this one yet. You would think the newer tickets would have more prizes than they do, but 2 and 26 and 29. Do you guys see anything? Nothing? Okay. How about this one? This one can take away. I'll keep you updated. I don't think I'm gonna win anything though. I hear electricity. It's so loud in here. Girl, guess what? Guess what? Barbie girl laid 2 eggs. And guess what? Guess what? Lemon dropped sitting on them for her. She's got him trained so well. And 2 eggs. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. Your 2 eggs are so cute, Barbie girl. Congratulations to the happy couple. Adorable. Just adorable.